Please water my mushroom and keep that horrible piggy away. Get.
Wow, the mushrooms are huge now, baby. Guys, it's Happy Meal time. What's inside a Happy Meal? I hope there's a surprise. Look! A delicious hamburger.
Oui, are there mushrooms, mon ami?
Some yummy fries. Oh, yummy. Did you like fries?
I do, okay.
Let's get the toy out, guys.
Pretty cool, okay.
It's Robin. A Yeti. This is a super cute. This is the steering wheel from his car. Robin, do the rescue. I like seeing Roxy's.
Oh.
Oh, delicious. That seeing Roxy's was delicious. Into the night to save the day. Hey, let's get mushrooms for a burger. Where are the mushrooms?
Mon ami, we need to return home before the mushroom man comes back.
You can't take my mushrooms. You can't take them. You can't have them. Stop. Stop.
Got it.
Sacre bleu!
Alright, let's open this. Hey guys, let's do the mushroom one.
Sacre bleu!
But this is no mushrooms for everybody. A body. Oh, it's a mushroom. Big mushroom. Take out the back panel. Now cut it. Right. Oh, let's get V first. Let's clean this. Great, with the fork.
Dépêche-toi, mon ami.
Here.
Oh no, help me.
Get away
What's
from
up?
me.
Gotcha. You can't get my dog. You can't get your mushroom.
Your dog is not eating any
You can't
mushroom.
get your mushroom, but you can't get my dog. No. You can't get your mushrooms. Yes.
Sacre bleu!
No. Help Peggy. Put it back. Now, put it by the window. Look, it's by the window. No, the mushroom took it to grow. Okay.
Voulez-vous parler avec moi, mon chéri?
Peggy, I see small mushrooms. So cool, the small mushrooms. Look, Pig, the mushrooms are huge. Right.
Bisous, mon chéri.
Wow, the mushrooms are huge. Wow, look, the mushrooms are so big.
J'ai faim, mon amour.
Wow, the mushrooms are huge now, Piggy. Oh my God. We can put the mushrooms on the hamburger soup, Piggy.
No mushrooms on your hamburger.
No.
I get you, Piggy.
I get you. I'm gonna take away your face.
No, those are my babies. You come back. You want to spray them? You want to give them water?
I'm going to get you, Piggy.
He eat all the babies, Mushroom Man.
Not on my watch.
You can't eat my mushroom, Piggy. I love water on a mushroom. Oh, please water my mushroom and keep that horrible Piggy away. Get you, Piggy. Boom. Ah, you stay away, Mr. Piggy. You stay away, Mr. Piggy. You better oink, Mr. Piggy.
Put on the hamburger. There's no time to be.
Use bacon.
Hey, Ptolemy, look, I got you a present. I got you a present, Ptolemy, look. It is a bacon cheeseburger. You don't need a mushroom cheeseburger. It's a bacon.
Oh, I love bacon. Thank you. Wow, toadstool, that sounds delicious.
Yes, it has lots of piggy on there.
Thank you.
Do you like the bacon?
Yeah.
Then eat some bacon.
What's this?
Is that good?
Look.
Is Mr. Piggy good?
That will do, pig. That will do.